Hello guys, One Key Car Garage back at you. Today we are on the 2006 Mercedes CLS 500, and today we are going to be tackling cup holders. Alright, we're going to get rid of this mess and replace it with this beauty right here. So stay tuned guys, it's going to be a good one. Okay, hold up. So you did not think that I was going to go through the whole process of removing all the trims, the front one here to get to the front screws, including removing this entire armrest here, just to get to the back screws, to remove that, to replace the entire assembly right here. No guys, little research, came across another DIY that I want to share with you guys, as far as replacing that the easy way. I've heard that this job has cost upwards of $1,000 at the dealer just to do, due to the removal of the trim pieces and the billable hour time that it takes to replace that. So let's get to it. Throw that away. So the DIY, guys, is simply to remove this inner piece here and replace it with the inner piece here. Okay. Apparently you cannot buy the inner rings here separately. All right. You have to buy this entire assembly. It's about $40 something, you know, online. So the easy way, if you press this button right here, it releases that to about that height. You press it again and it releases the entire assembly. All right, just like that. So you should be able to do the same thing on this one. All right, here we go. I'm doing this one-handed, guys, so bear with me. And this has been in there for a minute. Oh, just like that, it's out. All right, out with the old, in with the new. Just like that, guys. We are done. Just need to clean that up a little bit so it moves a lot freer, but that's what it is. This outer ring here normally breaks off and it becomes shallow, so when you go to drive and move off, your drinks go flying all over the place, right? And then this, you can just raise it up to here, it creates a deeper pocket. All right guys, so a little cleanup and we are done. One Key Car Garage out, another successful DIY.